Guys, if you've been watching my channel for any time, you know that I've been big on Bittensor for quite a while, well over a year, back when it was a lot less than $314, which it is today. But in today's video, I'm going to cover three things. One, some 2024 price predictions for Bittensor, levels that I feel that it can attain, and some levels where you might want to think about taking some profits, levels where I will be thinking about taking some profits. Two, we're going to talk about how to store your Bittensor coins, because you don't want to leave them on those exchanges. Not a good idea.
No bueno. No. Shame on you.
So we got to get your coins off of the exchanges and onto a wallet. And while we're doing that, and we're holding this for the next, say, 12, 18, possibly 24 months, as price continues to go up, why not make this coin work for us? Why not make it earn for us? Today we're going to talk about how to stake our Bittensor coins, what the return rate is, and what we can expect from that to help grow these bags even more. Let's get into it. Road Dog Crypto. So guys, I just want to go over a few things over Bittensor, why I think it's so fascinating. Maximum supply for this coin is 21 million, just like Bitcoin. Circulating supply for this coin is 5.8 million. Now here's an interesting tidbit for you. Of those 5.8 million tokens out there, almost 90% of them are currently staked, meaning there's very few tokens out there that are available for buying, which is partly why you're seeing the price come up so much. Remember, we were looking into this coin when it was $50 to $70. But here's an interesting thing. If you were to stake your coins, you can get a return of about 16, almost 17% per year. Not bad, rather than risking letting them sit on an exchange, putting them in danger for a possible exploit or hack on that exchange. Let's put them somewhere safe and let's put them to work for us today. Now it's worth noting that the market cap for Bittensor at this moment is 1.8 billion, and that's kind of up there, but it still has room to add at least another zero in my personal opinion, and maybe do a little bit more than that. Let's go ahead and turn to the charts and we'll get into some price predictions about where I see it going, say in 2024. All right guys, so here I am on the 3-day chart for Bittensor TAO, and you can see we're starting to get a little bit of a pullback. We got all the way up to almost $400, and now we're flirting with breaking our 9-moving average. Now, should that happen, do expect prices to come back, which will give you a chance to buy these tokens at a much cheaper price. Now, some of the prices that I would like to pay attention to, say over the next month or two, as we start to come back, or any time over the next couple of months, would be around $263. But I'm also eyeballing about $209, and I know that's probably not what you want to hear at the moment, but we do get retracements and they are due, but these are some possibilities. If you do see price coming back to these areas, I wouldn't necessarily be afraid of it. I would see them as being buying opportunities. The lowest place that I can possibly see us coming down to is probably about $130, but $209 and $263 seem to be the main areas that I'm actually kind of looking for to personally add this into my bags. But now, as far as where this could go, say in 2024, yeah, this is the part that's going to get exciting. Ooh, look at that little Ichimoku cloud just all ready for action. This is a very strong project looking for some upside. Now, the nearest target that I have for more of you short-term traders, people just holding this for a midterm hold or something, I'll be looking at $568. That's a nice little move from where we are currently at 306, somewhere through there, about 85% gains on that. However, a bigger target I would be looking at is 661s, but if you really want to know where I think that we can hit with this, well, we've got to look a little higher. These are all Fibonacci extension targets that I've got here. The most notable one that I'm looking for is $926. That's about a 3x from where we are right now. To 1192 could be on the table for 2024, 2025 as some viable targets that TAO could reach. Now, in the meantime, while we're waiting for this, unless you're trading this up and down and trying to work the market, you need a safe place to hide this, right? Safe place to save this. Well, here are my recommendations, ladies and gentlemen. If you go back to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, you can go over to Bittensor.com and click their link right up here in the corner, safest way to get there, and it will take you to Bittensor.com, where you can go right over here to where it says wallet at the top of the screen, right underneath my cow and flying saucer there. If we click that, it will take us to this page, which will allow you to download it. Now, the cool thing about it is you don't have to really download anything. It's a browser wallet, kind of like MetaMask. And here's where you add it to Brave. Now, I've already done that and added the wallet, but you just do that so that you can now store your coins. Now, when you start the wallet, down here at the bottom, there is a little button, a little area called Stake. And if you hit that, it will take you to this screen, which just looks like a blank. And you're probably wondering, well, what now? Well, that's where I'm here to help you out. You need to select a delegator and put that address in there. Now, how do you find that out? Well, you can come over here to TAOstats.io. Nice little place to keep up on the development of this whole project and all the cool stuff that it has to offer and how it's going along. But if you come over to verified validators, it will give you a nice little list of validators that you could plug in there. Now, personally, I went with TAOvalidator.com. Just copy that little address, come back over to your wallet, click the little icon there, put it in there, paste it, and it can tell us information about them, what our stake is and the total stake and the nominators, their daily rewards, and then we can select that delegator and continue through this process, and it's that simple to stake it. Now, mine are already staked and ready to go already with this validator. Now I can start earning on this guy. And if you got any questions about what you might earn, if you come back over to TAO stats right there and you go under validators and delegation and staking, it comes up to this very neat little calculator here as it tells you the API is 16.81% for staking. Enter how much that you've got to put in, calculate it, and tell it where you're a staker or a validator, and it will tell you what you can expect. And for instance, for 7.44 TAO being staked, a daily staking return of about $1.10 of the equivalent prices. Monthly, that could equivalent to about $33. And yearly, we could be looking at 1.25 TAO, which currently would hold a value of about $400. By the time that year gets here, well, that may very well be about $900 or $1,200. And now, wouldn't that be cool? All just for letting it sit here and stake. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video, please hit that like, possibly subscribe to the channel. Check out our nightly live streams to give you alpha on the crypto market and the hottest coins, and also the videos that I released covering these coins and price predictions. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you on your journey to life-changing wealth in crypto. And if you're investing in TAO, I think you've made a solid choice there. Congratulations and good luck. You're getting very wealthy and you like this video. You want to subscribe to this channel because you like it.